to grilling dinner. Today we're going to cook these party wings on the Weber kettle using the Vortex. They're going to be super crispy, nice and spicy. I bought these whole chicken wings at my local grocery store. Just grab yourself a good pair of kitchen shears or a sharp knife and cut these tips off here. Nobody wants to eat those. If you've been to tip out, you can see where the joint's at. Cuts right through it pretty easy. Also, you cut those off, you can fit more on the grill, and it just looks better at the end. So I want these chicken wings to be super crispy. I'm going to spray some duck fat on them. Duck fat's great for making crispy chicken. Make sure you get both sides. You don't need a lot. And we're going to coat it in this seasoned flour that I bought at Walmart. Make sure you get all the skin coated that you can. And that'll dry that skin out and make it nice and crispy. Now to add a little bit more flavor, we're going to put some Yardbird chicken rub on this, and it'll be delicious. Got this Weber kettle 22-inch with the Vortex, nice and hot. Got a big chunk of apple wood in the center. I'm going to place these chicken wings around the grill, let that apple wood start smoking, and it's going to be delicious. 20 minutes in, I'm going to come out and I'll flip these things over. Make sure they're nice and crispy on the top side. This Vortex, it cooks on the top first. And we're going to put our red hot sauce I got sitting in a cast iron pan right in the center. Get it nice and hot. And we'll be back in a few minutes. So about 5 minutes later, this red hot sauce is starting to boil. We're just going to pick these wings up, drop them in there, flip them over, get the other side, and move them back to the side of the grill. Get all these wings coated, cover it back up with the lid, and let that Frank's red hot sauce just bake into the skin. So now we're at a total cook time of about 45 minutes. I'm going to check this internal temperature. Oh, 190 degrees. It's the way I like them, man. Makes them crispy. You can go up to 200, but 190 is good. So let's take these things off, put them in a tray, and bring them inside. Let them rest on the counter for about 5 minutes, and we're ready to eat. So there you have it. That's my version of crispy hot wings on the Weber kettle with the Vortex. Coated with some Yardbird rub. Put some Frank's Red Hot on top of that. And it's delicious. If you liked the video, if you learned anything new, click that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Every weekend I'm putting out new videos.